One more ebia wason so we tre won din wo limited voter registration exercise course no wo Pru East abatom pesia so wo Bono East mantam no mu no won mususu senke be ya mre yemfa bi nka ho na da adwa da ye ba na wie ye ne de anso won fi se nipa bebre da so gina ahoma no so e wo se ye tre wo mu din e bi ni Adom Kasee e din komo yi.
Yesterday that I came here in the morning, but when I came, there was a whole lot of challenges that even I myself, I couldn't stand it. And I was also sick. As I'm talking, I'm a student. Yesterday, I didn't go to school because of this. But yesterday, I wasn't able to make it. And today, too, same thing. I didn't go to school.
Challenge I face, the process, is slow. You find some more like, I didn't content about it. I don't know contem kra.
Mpacho me de misire ne say on fa date ni bi nka homaye na mboaye nkoye nim kakla.
Trust me, it is not about the number of days. It is about the number of registrants we can get per specific day. So for instance, if today we are registering 300, we know that the run rate is that every day we can do 300. But if today we are doing, for instance, we did 40 the first day. And then when we switch off, we switch to the offline mode. We did 216. And today, as of the time the network went off, even with the 3 teams, we did 111. What we have done in Pru East is to continuously talk to our communities involved.